everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Dan. This is Eric. Today we're talking about Sumner new welding hand tools. Who is Sumner?
They are a company for welding that's owned by Southwire. And what do we know about Southwire? Southwire is a great company located in the South, and they make wire.
And they make wire, you guys. And they are starting to basically buy up all these other quality companies so they can have one conglomerate, bring everything in-house, and just basically, you know, they're trying to dominate the electrical / welding industry. I mean, they're just, and here's the thing. Even if you never heard of Southwire, I guarantee there's something in your house from Southwire, whether it be a wire somewhere, something. We got a chance to go out to Carrollton, Georgia. Eric will talk about that at the end, what we got to see, but we saw how they smelted the wire, made the wire. It's pretty amazing stuff.
Very cool.
So we're going to just go through the tools, then Eric will talk to you a little bit about Southwire and some of the cool things that they do. I encourage you to stick around and listen because it really blow your mind about Southwire. So, first things first, what do we have?
Clamps.
These are actually locking pliers.
Yes. Just joking. Guys, because we did a video before this, so it's inside
yeah, it
joke.
was funny because
Every
every time I picked up something, he's like, that's a clamp.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right, pliers. You guys, locking pliers, better known as vice grips, that is the brand name. So Sumner does offer just your general locking pliers, right? Mm-hmm. Nothing crazy, no innovative features, just a good set of locking pliers. Also in their lineup there, they have these clamp pliers. So this has basically got the heads on it that are adjustable.
Okay.
You're going to go to your sheets of metal or whatever, your two parts. You're going to put them together and you can tighten it down right here. Next, we have the chain clamp. What are chain clamps?
Pipe, right?
Exactly. So pipe, you guys, you're working on pipe. What dimensions is 20 inch? So 20 inch, you're working on pipe. You're going to lock this on. It's going to allow you to move the pipe into position, perhaps hold it in position. The greatest thing it does, though, is allow you to move the pipe. Which
is nice.
Yeah, it is pretty crazy. Last but not least, or no, we got one more clamp, but some MIG pliers.
What is that for?
MIG pliers are for basically if you're MIG welding, you can remove splatter with it. You can, pull wire with it. You can cut wire with it right here. You know, it's just when you're MIG welding, it's just good to have. You know, you can grab the splatter or whatever, try to break it
Why
off.
don't you weld more? You like welding. You're like all into it. Like you had that welder and you were into it. I thought you were going to start welding.
I used it once, and I bought that welder. Yeah, I'm going to start welding. I just got to get material, and there's been Jeeps and stuff in the shop, so we will.
Dude, you gotta start welding.
I'm gonna build a robot.
See, I think that's cool.
I'm gonna build a robot, you guys, and I'm probably gonna record it on our YouTube channel. I'm gonna use rotors as eyes.
See, I like that. Put some lights behind there. Or
yeah,
something
actually,
like
we'll just keep it here. We'll keep it at the front door.
Yeah.
It's gonna be heavy, dude. You know what I'm using as feet from the Kubota tractor, from the backhoe, the things.
Oh, that would be cool.
Yeah, that's the feet. I already got them over there.
That would be cool.
Yeah.
What are you gonna use for arms?
No arms. Robots don't have arms.
That's true. Robots wouldn't even need arms. Why would I even say something like that?
Exactly. Why would they need arms, Eric? Jeez.
I gotta start thinking before I speak.
Right. Next, you guys, we have what's called the F clamp, right? You could confuse it as a C clamp or a G clamp, perhaps, right? Basically, what's cool about this clamp is...
You think after all these years we'd have this TV, right?
I know. Someone actually came on and told us how to do it, but
Are you serious?
Yeah, we still couldn't do it. We should just get a new TV. Maybe in 2021, if budgets go up, we will get a new TV. Just for you guys.
Yes.
Just for you guys. What's really unique about this clamp, you guys, is how fast it can clamp your work, right?
Yeah.
I mean, even Eric was kind of amazed at it. Like, hey, man, I would like to use that for woodworking. It's one of the fastest clamps to set up I've ever seen. And basically how it operates is this is going to do your final adjustment up here, but this is completely slidable, no locks, no buttons to push or anything like that. Once you reach your target, it's going to angle, and that's going to cause friction, which is going to hold it in place. Let me show you how it works. So we'll stay all the way open. We'll go to this bench right here. Watch how fast I can clamp this bench. Ready? Down. That's it.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's clamped.
I like that.
I mean, it's in place, right? I don't see a reason why you couldn't use this for wood.
But bar clamps use that same concept.
Right, bar clamps do. But this isn't a bar clamp. This is an F clamp.
No, that's true.
You know? So to me, this is one of the coolest things here. As far as coolness factor goes, you know? Everything else is just good quality tools from Sumner. As I can't get it down. My luck, you know? The 12-inch F clamp, you guys. So, Sumner, you guys, being a part of the Southwire group, I mean, Sumner was an American company.
Yes.
Southwire is an American company. And Southwire does something. Sorry about the heater that kicked on, but
yeah.
Southwire does something that no other company does. We went down to Carrollton, Georgia. Eric will talk to you about it.
Guys, they do something. I know you probably, if you watched us with Southwire before, we've talked about this, but it's something that's true in my heart. It's such a great program. It's called 12 for Life, and they do more than any other company that I've seen. They've actually, what they'll do is they'll take kids who are at risk or kids who maybe have a harder life, and they'll actually give them an education and give them skills. So instead of like where a lot of companies will maybe give like $100,000 and then they'll advertise, hey, look how good we are. I don't really see Southwire ever advertising or talking about it. They do it because it's the right thing to do. They do it for the community. They've made their community so much better. They've made it, I mean, it's a huge plus for them. It's a huge plus for the community. It's a huge plus for the kids or the people who are in the program. It's just something I've never seen, and it would be so cool if other companies took this model and they applied it. I mean, talk about really making a change in the world. I think it's something that, it's just such a cool concept because everybody wins. It's not like, okay, we're just giving a check and then you go do what you want to. No, we have skin in the game, which I think is awesome.
And, you know, a lot of companies are in big cities, you know, and, you know, whatever. But Carrollton, Georgia, it was just the community there. I mean, Carrollton, Georgia is Southwire, you guys. I mean, Southwire is just a big, predominant company there. But they employ a lot of the people in the town and give back, which, like Eric said, is amazing. Check it out. I think you know, Brandon, I think he set that whole thing. I don't know. He has something to do with it. He leads it or
it's
set
absolutely
it up.
amazing.
And,
it's awesome.
Yeah, it's amazing stuff. And you know what? We can appreciate that, right? Because it's like everybody loves to donate. You like to donate to charity. You like to do this, you know, do that. Just support Southwire. And then in turn, they're going to be supporting the community back. So,
exactly.
Very good stuff. We love you guys. And they are advertisers of ours. If they weren't advertisers, we'd say the same thing.
Yes,
all the companies
100%.
we've ever met. And granted, we met a lot of companies that are just great people. I mean, 99.9% of everybody is great we've met.
Oh yeah, yes.
You know what I'm
yes.
saying? I mean,
But as a
probably
company-
100% of all companies that we've dealt with are just great, right?
Yeah, but as a company as a whole, the 12 for Life is something I've never seen anyone else do.
Right.
You know,
And I appreciate that. Anyway, we've seen companies, oh, hey, we donated, you know, $5 million.
Which is
to this
huge. That's
fund.
awesome, too.
That's great, too.
too.
We appreciate it. But why not create something that you're actually seeing results? You're actually, you know what I'm saying? They've taken what they take to manage this company to managing, you know, this school / work from home program or whatever it is. But we actually saw these kids go in there and, you know, they were working, man. They were building things. They were doing things.
They're getting
packaging
skills.
things, getting paid. And they have this whole star system. It's just very cool. So,
it's awesome.
peace,
Cool.
you guys. Check it out.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.